Welcome back to my cozy Christmas corner. There lived a young boy named Ivan. Ivan loved X-Max, but his family did not have much that year. No big trees, no fancy ornaments, no sparkling lights. One day morning, while walking through the forest, Ivan looked around and noticed something. The trees were bare, but the ground was full of fallen twigs and pine cones. Each pine cone was covered in tiny snowflakes, sparkling lights diamonds under the winter sun. Ivan picked them up one by one and whispered, "Maybe Xmas does not need expensive things. Maybe nature already gives us everything." He brought the twigs and pine cones home, and his mother smiled. They did not have ornaments, but they had imagination. Ivan arranged the twigs like the shape of a tree. Some twigs some twigs were long, some short, some curved, but together they looked like a natural Xmas tree. He glued pine cone on top, each one looking like a tiny snow-covered ornament. His mother added a bit of golden ribbon. His little sister sparkled flour on the branches to make snow. And just like that, their simple homemade tree began to glow with love. And today we are making the same beautiful, simple, nature-inspired decoration. We are sharing some beautiful nature-inspired decoration because Xmas is not about expensive thing. A craft remind us that even simple things can create magical moments. Take around 10 to 15 twigs. Don't worry about their size. Imperfection make the craft natural and unique. Arrange them in the shape of the tree or a little frame, just like Ivan did in the snowy forest. Use hot glue to attach them. Slowly your tree's skeleton begin to form simple, rustic and full of Xmas charm. That evening, Ivan placed the finished tree near the window, and you can also make wreath and many more things like that. Like even you can make like a simple table centerpiece, beautiful wall hanging, door hanging decoration. People passing by saw the soft glue and stopped. They whispered, "What a beautiful handmade tree! Who made it?" And Ivan smiled secretly. His little tree had brought joy, not just to his home, but to everyone who saw it. Now take your pine cone. You can keep them natural and add a little white paint to give a snow effect. Glue them on your twig tree. Just for 5 pieces or enough. These pine cones will act as your main ornaments. Simple but elegant, rustic but magical. On Xmas morning, Ivan woke up early. He saw a simple gift under his homemade tree, a wooden star made by his father. His father said, "Ivan, your tree reminded me that Xmas is not about what we buy, it's about what we create together." Ivan placed the wooden star on the top of the twig tree, and that the moment became the most precious Xmas memory of his life. Now add a little ribbon, dried berries, or a tiny bell. Don't overcrowd it. This craft looks most beautiful when it's simple. If you want to wrap in a thin fairy lights around it, when it lights up, your craft will look like a tiny glowing forest. As you look at your finished twig and pine cone decoration, remember Ivan's story. Xmas beauty does not come from big stores, it comes from simple things handmade with love. As you know that Xmas beauty does not come from a big store, so make simple things, try to make nature's gifts things. As you look at your finished twig and pine cone decoration and even handmade door wreath, remember Ivan's story. Xmax beauty does not come from big store, it comes from simple things handmade with love. Thank you so much for watching till the end. In this heartwarming story and simple craft inspire you, don't forget to like, subscribe and share. See you. Try to bring for you the best ideas and best beautiful videos. See you in the next magical Xmax video. Stay blessed. God bless you all. Take care of yourself and your family members. Have a very nice and very good day. Wishing you a very happy crafty ideas. I wish your new year fulfilled with love, creativity and many more you want to have in your life. All things you have. Thank you. Stay blessed. God bless you. Take care. Welcome back to my cozy Christmas corner.